Felicitous English welcomes you once again. I am 𝐔𝐬. Today I am going to speak about the Ottoman Empire of the present day Turkey. The Ottoman Empire was one of the mightiest and longest lasting for more than 600 years, dynasties in the world history, ruling 3 continents of Asia, Europe and Africa. Their leaders were called sultans. Osman I, a leader of a Turkish tribe in Anatolia, founded the Ottoman Empire in 1299 AD. The term Ottoman is derived from Usman's name, which was UTHMAN in Arabic. In 1453 AD, the Ottoman Sultan Mahmud II the Conqueror attacked Constantinople, the present day Istanbul, the capital of the Byzantine Empire. This put an end to the 1000-year-long reign of Byzantine Empire by Christians. Sultan Mahmud made Constantinople his capital. For many centuries to follow, Constantinople remained the dominant international center for trade and culture. At its height, the Ottoman Empire included Turkey, Bulgaria, Greece, Egypt, Hungary, Macedonia, Romania, Jordan, Palestine, Lebanon, Syria and some parts of Saudi Arabia, which means a huge territory on the planet. At the start of the World War I, the Ottoman Empire, which was already in decline, sided with the wrong group, that of Germany, Austria-Hungary, and was defeated in 1918. The Ottoman Empire was divided among Britain, France, Greece and Russia. The Ottoman Empire officially ended in 1922 when the title of Ottoman Sultan was eliminated. The state of Turkey was born in 1923. Mustafa Kemal became the first president of the Republic of Turkey. Constantinople became Istanbul, which is the present day capital of Turkey. The word of the day, adjudicate, ADJUDICATE. The pronunciation is adjudicate. It means to make a formal judgment on a disputed matter. Example, the committee adjudicates on all betting disputes. It means to act as a judge in a competition. Example, we have asked him to adjudicate at the local flower show. It means pronounce or declare judicially. Example, he was adjudicated bankrupt. Similar words are judge, adjudge, try, hear, examine, arbitrate, settle, resolve, decide, determine, umpire, referee, pass judgment on. Now a few more sentences can be discussed. The officer has refrained from adjudicating the dispute of issuing a conclusive certificate. The Debt Recovery Tribunal is authorized to adjudicate matters on bank recovery disputes. Now let me turn to the correct English of the day. What's the difference between let's LET' and let's LETS? Let's is a short form of let us. For example, let us play football. It means come on, we can have a game of football. Let's is used when permission is involved. For instance, he lets me use his car means that he allows me to use his car. The moment we believe that we have reached the level of saturation, we will stop learning further. Keep a humble mind. Knowledge will flow to you. Meet you again. Goodbye.